The market theme: an unpleasant start on cards for Nifty bulls. Nifty bulls may face a challenging start to the week as crude oil prices are likely to witness renewed upward pressure after Iran announced the closure of the Strait of Hormuz. The move comes amid escalating geopolitical tensions following renewed hostilities in the Middle East, raising fresh concerns over global energy supply disruptions. Any sustained spike in oil prices could rekindle inflation fears and weigh on market sentiment, especially for all importing economies like India. Our call of the day: history suggests that when one worry exits, another arrives, and yet, the stock market often continues climbing the wall of worry. Encouragingly, foreign institutional investors, FIIs, offered a strong cushion in Friday's trade, emerging as net buyers to the tune of 4,859 crore rupees, a signal that institutional risk appetite could make a big comeback. Another key variable remains the monsoon. A timely arrival and healthy rainfall could improve rural sentiment, cool food inflation, and give Nifty bulls a much-needed reason to smile. Hush technical outlook: vertical bar. From a technical perspective, confirmation of fresh strength emerges only above last week's high at 24,189. Until then, traders should expect heightened volatility as global geopolitics and crude oil remain key sentiment drivers. Market trends: the global cues are positive. In Friday's bearish session, FIIs bought to the tune of Rs 4859 crores while DIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1160 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest massive consolidation day out. FNO June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 and 25,000 zone. India VIX, the fear index has plunged near 12.97 levels. At last check, USD INR, June, has cooled towards 94.39 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th June, is at 1.05 levels. Bank Nifty PCR is at 1.00. FIN Nifty PCR is at 0.79. Midcap Nifty is at 1.70. Nifty outlook: Nifty bulls may have to absorb a fresh barrage of geopolitical headlines surrounding the fragile US-Iran peace deal. The biggest overhang is renewed uncertainty over the Strait of Hormuz. Crude oil prices are likely to spike, posing a near-term risk for sentiment at Dalal Street. Higher oil prices could revive inflation worries, pressure the rupee, and trigger cautious positioning in rate-sensitive sectors. Volatility is likely to be the hallmark of the day. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP 24,013. Biggest make or break support for Nifty is now placed at 23,736 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at the 24,189 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,800 and 24,100. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 76,803. Biggest make-break support is placed only at 75,900 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 77,493 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 76,000 to 77,300. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 57,686. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 57,100 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 58,100 mark on closing basis. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,000 and 58,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. The two big signals in the week gone by. 1. India's retail inflation remains within comfort levels, but wholesale inflation continues to reflect elevated energy costs. CPI inflation, May 2026, 3.93%. Food inflation, 4.78%. WPI inflation, 9.68%. 2. Fed turns hawkish. The Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged at 3.50, 3.75% on 17th June, but delivered a distinctly hawkish message. Key takeaway: 2026 PCE inflation forecast raised to 3.6%. Rate cut expectations pushed out to 2027. This signals that global liquidity conditions may remain tight for longer. So, the main event will be the release of the May personal consumption expenditure, PCE, inflation report on Thursday, 25th June, which is the Federal Reserve's preferred measure of inflation. Stocks in spotlight. Stocks closed in green. 1. Sun Pharma gained 0.62% in Friday's trade. Sun Pharmaceutical Industries on Saturday said it will acquire 100% of Innovcare Life Sciences in a deal valued at about 2.71 billion rupees. Stocks closed in red. 1. Reliance Industries slipped 1.4% in Friday's trade even after Chairman Mukesh Ambani said Reliance Retail is entering its next phase of growth with the launch of two new platforms focused on manufacturing and exports, aimed at accelerating scale and expanding global reach. Reliance board approves Jio IPO. Jio said its proposed IPO will consist of a fresh issue of up to 270 million equity shares with a face value of 10 rupees each, with pricing to be decided through book building.